Start by cleaning the defect and surrounding area with a paper towel or cloth. Fill the defect with the matching filling color until just above the surrounding surface. Any excess filling can be sanded down later. Cover the filling with leveling tape and gently flatten it down with your finger. Hold the blue light unit 0.4 to 0.8 inches from the area and shine for 40 seconds evenly on every part of the patch. Remove the leveling tape and level the area with 220 grit sandpaper. You can apply masking tape around it to avoid scratching the surface. Add a few drops of water and gently buff with wet 2500 grit sandpaper. The repair is now complete and the chip is gone. If you need an even more polished surface though, you can use the polishing wheel and mandrel. Set it to 3000 RPM, then polish the repaired area and any scratches around it.